Dive into the world of data engineering with our immersive one-month bootcamp. Designed for both aspiring and intermediate data engineers, this program offers hands-on learning with industry-standard tools in a small interactive group setting. Guided by an expert mentor, you'll participate in live one-hour sessions every alternate day. This structured approach ensures you master essential data engineering skills over the course of a month. Our program focuses on practical application, allowing you to build a complete cloud-based data pipeline. You'll gain expertise in using AWS S3 for cloud storage, PySpark for complex data transformations, and Dagster for workflow automation. These tools are crucial for managing data ingestion, transformation, and orchestration in real-world scenarios. By the end of the bootcamp, you'll have completed an end-to-end data engineering project. This project will be a valuable addition to your portfolio, showcasing your ability to tackle real-world data engineering challenges. Once enrolled, our team will guide you through the onboarding process. Contact us via email or WhatsApp with your payment receipt. Our mentors will assist with setup and provide the Microsoft Teams link. Batches start on the 3rd, 13th, and 23rd of each month.